The challenges that led us to seek out a SaaS management platform is just knowing that there was a wide variety of shadow IT out there and continually getting tickets for things that we had never heard of. And so just understanding and knowing that there was something out there lurking and we needed a tool to help us discover that and find all that stuff without having to manually go into logs and everything within Google and other tools. One of the things that we dealt with in terms of time lost and productivity lost is having to go through and manually onboard and offboard users. We really didn't have any sort of amazing tool or method in place. It was truly going in, logging into every single individual system, disabling them, go into the next one, disable it, checking it off on a Google Sheet, and an offboarding for a user could easily take 1 or 2 hours of manual effort and was prone to errors. The results of implementing BetterCloud was it gave us peace of mind knowing that everything was being done exactly how we had programmed it. The workflows we'd created, it saved us an immense amount of time for onboarding, offboarding, if we had to provision access to anything. And just having that peace of mind that not only was everything going according to plan, and we had that, but we also had the error checking in place if need be to see if anything did go wrong. Where was it? We can cover that. After implementing BetterCloud, we really saw benefits right away. It was just immediately like, thankfully, finally we have a tool we need. One huge one we've had with BetterCloud is it is one of the fuel tools out there that allows us to run backups of our Google groups and distribution lists. We run an automated export that exports all of our members and groups and information because there's no way to natively do that within Google Admin. And if something happens to your groups, you're rebuilding from hand, and BetterCloud allows us to do that. And it was a huge win. That was a huge gap we had.